Okay, so we're here at a house in Erdington in Birmingham, which we're hopefully going to get a decent deal on for an investor for supported accommodation. So coming into the hallway here, through this door into the front room. So if we come through here, Sol's on the camera today, thank you Sol. Quite a big light room here, great view out the front because the house is so high up. You can see for a very long way, and if Sol comes over here and has a look through the window, you can see the city centre on the horizon there. So great views from this place. So the electrics have been checked in the last 18 months. There's a decent fuse board in here. Not much needing in this room. The carpets aren't that old, they'll probably just need a clean. This would be blocked off, okay, because we want these as two separate rooms. And then we're coming through to the back room. This one will be a bedroom as well for a HMO base here. So if we come on through to here, obviously this has been the utilities, white goods have been in here. The gas is in, boiler is in good working order, though it is a bit out of date. But this would all be open up and given a nice hangout area. Then we're coming through to here. I mean, as you can see, the whole place needs updating. It's been a long time since it's been updated. So we're coming through to the kitchen now. The kitchen all needs replacing. So, you know, we'd rip the whole lot out and start again with some extra cupboards. We do with a bit more cupboards, a few more cupboards under here. That's it, and come on through. So now we're going back into the hallway. You can see we have got central heating throughout. There's a bit of storage space underneath the stairs there. And then as we go towards upstairs, you can see there's a fuse board which is up to standard, although it's not the metal boxes that they'd fit if it was replaced now. It is still legal to use that as it's already fitted. Then we're going to go upstairs. So we're coming upstairs. It's all a little bit untidy really. There's been a bit of patchwork done here which could do with doing again, so there will be some plastering involved. Although depending on what we're going to do with the place, a lot of this could just be repainted because it's not damp and it's not in terrible condition. Let's see, yeah, we've got a rung out the banister missing there. We're going into the front room here. Now this bedroom is too small to be a bedroom, so into the master bedroom here. Nice bright room. Again, we've got that big bay window with that fantastic view over the city. I really like this one, I have to say. It's in pretty good condition. The whole thing needs redecorating, but you could just paint this room and it would be ready to go. Going through to the back bedroom. This bedroom is big enough to have as a bedroom. Nice big window at the back there. It's all double glazed. And then you can see up towards the back of the garden, it's quite a steep climb up there and it needs tidying. The whole thing needs clearing out. There is a very small garage up there. That could potentially be used as a shared space or maybe a games room. It could even be extended right across the garden there if we were that way inclined. We wanted to say have a big games room there for people who are sharing the property. And we're going into the bathroom. Again, it's very out of date. It all needs replacing. But I'll just go back for a minute. So if we took this wall across to here and had the door there, suddenly we'd have this much extra room for this room. Come on in. whole thing needs replacing, but this would probably serve better as a bedroom. And depending on the measurements, it is a possibility that we could move this wall this way to give a couple of extra feet to make that bedroom larger. Then this potentially could be a 5-bedroom HMO, and could be really good for supported accommodation. Okay, cut.